A quiet room, two elderly couples sitting silently, looking tired and withdrawn. Sometimes life wears us down, we forget who we were. The morning walks, the laughter, the glow, it all fades away. Happy memories, walking in the park, smiling together, enjoying life. The time passes, we age. But does life end there? No. Life is still here, waiting for us to start again. One couple standing in front of mirror, looking at each other and smiling. Elderly man, what do you think? Should we try again? Elderly woman smiling, let's live again. Just like before. The couples wake up early, doing light exercise, walking, stretching, yoga. It's not easy, but it's not impossible either. Today, they did not just move their bodies, they woke up their spirit, preparing healthy meals together, cutting fruits, drinking water, and laughing. They realized food is not just for the stomach, it's fuel for the soul. Replacing pills with herbal tea, enjoying meals together at the table with smiles. Elderly man, remember when we used to say we will start tomorrow? Elderly woman, look, today is that tomorrow. Holding hands, walking in the park, smiling together. This is the story of those who did not let age become an excuse, who did not try to stop time. They learned to walk with it. Sunrise is the background, couples walking forward hand in hand. Their journey is not over. In fact, it's just getting started. Close up of their smiling faces and glow of healthy returning. Their steps now stronger, back straighter. Day by day, step by step, they choose discipline over delay, hope over hesitation, love over laziness. One couple join another for a group walk, all four now walking together in the park, supporting each other. And soon it was not just about one couple, it became a movement, a quiet reminder to the world it's never too late to love yourself again. All four doing light group exercises outdoor, cheering each other on, sharing fruit, laughing like children, elderly women smiling. We are not chasing youth, we are choosing life. Elderly man, and this time we are not stopping. They walk forward together with confidence, laughter, and energy. To anyone watching this, no matter your age, no matter your past, if you are breathing, you were alive. And if you are alive, you still have time to begin again. Health is not a destination, it's a decision. Start again. If you can do it, so can you.